Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video lecture, I will explain you AutoCAD plan of 200 square yards in east facing direction, which is consisting of G+1 building. So I will consider single bedroom hall kitchen portion in ground story, and first story will be consisting of two portions. One portion is of single bedroom hall kitchen and another portion will be consisting of single bedroom hall kitchen portion. So I will show you the plan for the respective design of G+1 building. So go to your PDF file. So this is my PDF file which is showing the plan of the respective east facing house. So this is the road in east facing direction, which is consisting of 20 feet width. So this is the dimensions for this respective site, so which is consisting of 30 feet in east facing direction as well as 30 feet in west facing direction. In south facing direction the dimensions are 69 feet. In north facing direction the dimensions are 59 feet. So this is the ground floor plan for this respective house, and this is the first floor plan for this respective house, which is consisting of single bedroom hall kitchen portion in front side and single bedroom hall kitchen portion in back side. So this is the plot area for this respective house, which is consisting of 1800 square feet. So I will convert this respective square feet area into yards. So initially I will go to the calculator. So here the plot area is 1800 square feet. So initially we need to enter the 1800 square feet area. We need to divide this respective value with 9. Will give you 200 yards. So this is the 200 yards plot area for this respective G+1 building, nothing but your site area. So in that site area we need to consider the slab area as 1690 square feet as per the plan chart dimensions. So go to your calculator again. Now again I will calculate the square feet area in slab area for this respective house, which is consisting of 1690. We need to divide this respective value with 9. Will give the value of 187.777, approximately equal to 188 yards slab area. Now I will explain you the ground story details about this respective house plan details. So this is the ground story details of the respective plan, which is consisting of parking area and a single bedroom hall kitchen portion for this respective ground story. So in east facing direction it will be consisting of gate portion here, and it will be consisting of staircases for this respective house. So staircases will be consisting of 6 feet width, and each staircase will be consisting of 3 feet width for this respective house. So this is the parking area for the house, which is consisting of 29 feet 3 inches in length direction and 31 feet in height direction, nothing but your width direction. So these are the parking area for this respective house. So after that I will show you the plan for the respective single story house. So this is the single story plan for this respective house, which is consisting of living area and kitchen area, toilet as well as bedroom. So in east facing direction it will be consisting of main door, which is of a double panel, and it will be consisting of window in east facing direction for this respective hall. So through this main door we are entering into the living area. So this is the living area dimensions for this respective house. So living area will be consisting of 10 feet 11 inches in x direction distance as well as 22 feet 9 inches in y direction distance. In north facing direction it will be consisting of two windows here. So this is the two windows for this respective house. So through this respective opening we are entering into the kitchen portion as well as this bedroom portion. So this is the kitchen portion for this respective house, which is consisting of 10 feet 6 inches in length direction distance as well as 7 feet in width direction distance. So this is the wash area for this respective ground story house, which is consisting of 7 feet in x direction distance, nothing but your length direction distance, as well as 4 feet in width direction distance. So after that I will show you the respective bedroom dimensions for this respective house. So this is the bedroom dimensions for the house, which is consisting of 10 feet 6 inches in x direction distance as well as 11 feet in y direction distance, nothing but your width direction distance. In east facing direction distance it will be consisting of two windows here. In north facing direction it will be consisting of two windows, and in west facing direction also it will be consisting of two windows, and in south facing direction it will be consisting of one window as well as one ventilation will be provided for this respective house. Now I will explain you the wide walk dimensions for this respective house. So it will be consisting of 2 feet wide walk in south facing direction for this respective house, and 2 feet wide walk for the west facing directions. So this 2 feet wide walk in south facing direction as well as west facing direction mostly helpful for underground drainage works. So in north facing direction it will be consisting of 4 feet wide walk for this respective house. So in front of this respective single bedroom hall kitchen portion there will be a parking area for this respective house. So after that I will explain you the first story details about the respective plan. It will be consisting of two portions for this respective house, and each portion will be consisting of single bedroom hall kitchen portion. So this is the staircases in east facing direction. So this is the main entry for this respective flat number 1, which is in east facing direction, and window is provided in east facing direction. And this is the hall as well as living area for this respective portion 1, which is consisting of 11 feet 5 inches in x direction distance and 23 feet 9 inches in vertical direction distance. So through the opening for this respective house we are entering into the kitchen portion, which is consisting of 8 feet 8 inches in x direction distance as well as 8 inches in vertical direction distance. For this respective plan it will be consisting of utility here in south facing direction. It will be consisting of 3 feet 6 inches in x direction distance and 8 feet in vertical direction distance. So this is the wash area for this respective portion. It will be consisting of 7 feet in x direction distance as well as 4 feet in vertical direction distance. Through this respective opening we are entering into the main bedroom. So this is the main bedroom dimensions for this respective portion, which is consisting of 10 feet 6 inches in x direction distance and 11 inches in vertical direction distance. And for this respective first portion it will be consisting of 3 windows in north facing direction. One window is there in east facing direction, as well as 2 windows will be provided as per the plan for the respective south facing direction, and one ventilation will be provided for the respective house in south facing direction. Now I will explain you the second portion dimensions for this respective house. So this is the second portion dimensions for this respective first story house. It is also consisting of single bedroom hall kitchen portion. So this is the living area for this respective house. The main entry for this respective second portion will be provided in north facing direction. Through the north facing direction we are entering into the second portion for this respective house. So it will be consisting of living area here, which is consisting of 11 feet 5 inches in x direction as well as 23 feet 9 inches in vertical direction. So through this opening area we are entering into the kitchen portion for this respective house, which is consisting of 8 feet 8 inches in x direction distance as well as 8 feet in vertical direction distance. So this is the door which is provided to the respective kitchen. So through this door we are entering into the utility area. So this is the utility area dimensions for this respective second portion, which is consisting of 3 feet 6 inches in x direction distance as well as 8 feet in vertical direction distance. So through this opening we are entering into the main bedroom for this respective house, which is consisting of 10 feet 6 inches in x direction distance as well as 11 feet in vertical direction distance. So this is the dimensions for this respective washroom, which is consisting of 7 feet in x direction distance as well as 4 feet in vertical direction distance. So for this respective second portion it will be consisting of 2 windows in north facing direction as well as 2 windows will be provided in south facing direction, and one ventilation will be provided for the respective washroom in south facing direction. Now I will explain you the balcony dimensions for this respective house. So this is the front balcony for this respective first story, which is consisting of 3 plus 3, which is equals to 6 feet dimensions in east facing direction. So this is the south facing balcony for this respective house, which is consisting of 2 feet here, and this is the west facing balcony which is consisting of 2 feet here, and this is the north facing balcony which is consisting of 3 feet here. So this is the plan dimensions about this respective ground story as well as first story for this respective house. For this respective building all outer walls will be provided as a 9-inch wall, and inner wall will be consisting of 4 inches, and compound wall will be provided as a single brickwork, nothing but your 4 inches. I will attach this respective plan in description for this respective G+1 story of 200 yards, which is consisting of single bedroom hall kitchen portion in ground story, and first story will be consisting of 2 portions, and each portion will be consisting of single bedroom hall kitchen portion. So please check the plan in description. So after that I will explain you the elevation for this respective east facing house. So I was drawn this respective elevation in east facing direction. So go to image 5. So this is a general elevation for this respective east facing plan. for the 200 yards. So I will attach this respective image in description also. If you need this respective image, please download the image from the description. So this is the details about the respective plan in east facing direction, which is consisting of 200 yards. Thank you.